Welcome to Cracking the Code with Walker. Learn to spot and prevent emissions control issues. In this video, we're tackling catalytic converter failure due to contamination by sealing paste.
Another problem that is related to monolith contamination is the one caused by the use of sealing paste upstream the catalytic converter. Exhaust system sealing paste has silicon as part of its composition, which when burnt produces a whitish powder that is deposited on the precious metals of the monolith, permanently cancelling their catalytic function and the measuring function of the lambda probes. Therefore, any connection upstream the catalyst, or in modern vehicles upstream, the last electronic sensor of the emission control system must be made with a new seal designed for this purpose, and never with a sealing paste. It is easy to understand, as in the previous case where the monolith was contaminated by lead, that these types of claims are never considered as manufacturing warranties, because those problems have nothing to do with the manufacturing processes.
I hope you have enjoyed this video and that it has helped you to have a better understanding of the possible claims related to those important products. Thank you, and see you in next episodes of Cracking the Code of Emissions Control Customer Claims with Walker.